Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock report in Excel. Open a new workbook and set up columns date, symbol, shares, price, total value, and notes. Format the price and total value as currency and apply date formatting to date. Use a table to allow filtering and easy sorting. Save the file as a template to keep consistent reports for tracking performance over time. Start by entering formulas to compute total value as shares times price and cost basis when available. Add gain-loss as total value minus cost basis and express changes as percentages to see returns. Use SUM for portfolio totals and average to monitor typical position size. Apply conditional formatting to color positive and negative returns so you can spot trends quickly and visualize your report by inserting a line chart for portfolio value over time and a pie chart for allocation by stock or sector. Link charts to the table so updates reflect instantly when prices or shares change. Add slicers for symbol and date to create interactive views that help you compare periods or positions. Use named ranges for dynamic charts and keep visuals clear with consistent colors and concise labels for quick interpretation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.